To start an AI YouTube channel, it's crucial to define your niche. Whether it's tutorials, reviews, entertainment, or something else, this will shape the content you create and attract your audience. Selecting the right AI model or platform is essential. OpenAI's GPT-3 is a powerful choice for scripting videos or generating dialogue, providing a solid foundation for your content. When setting up your YouTube channel, focus on a catchy name, logo, and channel art that reflect your AI theme. Establish a content schedule and stick to it to maintain consistency. Utilize video editing software to enhance the AI-generated content. Add visuals, animations, and music to make it more engaging and captivating for your audience. Promote your channel on social media platforms and collaborate with other YouTubers or AI enthusiasts to expand your audience. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and soliciting feedback to improve your content. Stay updated on AI advancements and incorporate new techniques to keep your channel fresh and relevant. With dedication and creativity, your AI YouTube channel can grow into a successful venture.